Hi, this is Max Katz with Apri.io. Today I want to show you how to build a mobile app under 5 minutes. It's going to be simple, but yet real mobile app that talks to an API backend or a cloud database. So let's start by creating a new app. And this is my app. And click Create. And in just a few seconds, we're going to have a brand new app. All right, and here we go. Now, every app is a page. That's if we can open under Pages. And we're going to start by building the app UI. Now, we're going to connect to a database that holds insurance policies. So, for instance, maybe you can buy various policies so you can view a list. And we're going to use a list component. And then we're just going to say one item like this. So that's actually it for the UI. Very fast, very simple. Now I'm going to click on database, and I'm going to open the Apri.io Cloud database and create a new database. And I'm going to call this InsuranceDB. Again, so I'm creating a brand new database, but you can of course also connect to any existing API backend. New collection, we'll call this policy. And now you can create any number of columns. We're just going to keep it pretty simple. We'll say name. We can also enter some sample data here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So for example, car insurance, medical insurance, and still dental insurance. All right. So that's our sample data. Now what's nice is that everything you do here is instantly exposed via REST API. And we can go back to the app builder and go to create new. And we can automatically create these services, generate the services, database services. We see a list of all the databases, and the one that we just created is right here. And then you can see we can now select the services we want to generate. So we want the list and import. So the service was created, and we can open the service, and everything is set for us. The URL, there's nothing for request, but then the response is set. We can also test. We can click test, and we can see instantly we get the 3 items that we just created. Let's go back to the page. We're going to switch to data view, and we're going to add a service to the page. So this means the service is now available on the page, and now we need to bind the service to the page. So there's nothing for us to map for input because we're just getting the entire list. But for the output mapping, right, so we're going to expand and expand here. So this is the service response. So we're going to take the collection of all the insurance policies and map it to the list itself, and that's going to give us a looping feature, and then the name to the text property. All right. We're going to go back to design, and then we're going to select the page and breadcrumbs, and we're going to change this to page show, and then invoke service. All right, so basically invoke the service on page show, and that's basically it. Now we can test the app right in the browser. All right, and you can see, so this is a real app running in the browser that is connected to an API backend, and in this particular case, it is the Apri.io Cloud database. So once you're done, what do you do next? Well, you can publish this app as a mobile web app, or you can also package it for native platform, for example, Android, iOS, or Windows Phone. And right here, you will launch the build, and you download the file, and then you can basically instantly install it on your phone for testing. So definitely go to Apri.io, sign up. I highly recommend to go to devcenter.apri.io. That's our developer site. And for example, you can click on Getting Started, and there are 3 great tutorials that you can start with. Again, Apri.io, and thank you for watching.